Hey guys, name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Bennington 22 SX Swingback. This is a tri-tune with a Yamaha 150. This is in the new Monaco blue color by Bennington with a silver Simtex interior. I'm on board, take a look. You got nice starboard and port lounges. Storage up under all your seats. Walking up, take a look at the console here. New for 2020 also is the Garmin mounted in the center there. RPM gauge, and then on the right hand side you got your volt, fuel, and trim. Got a nice kicker stereo. Yamaha binnacle on the right hand side there. Again, this is the Swingback, so got storage up under the back seat here. Swing back. Nice extended aft deck on it here. Again, this is a 2020 Bennington 22 SX Swingback tri-tune with a Yamaha 150. And again, my name is T. Evans. MarineMax Greenville, and be contacted at 864-236-9005. Have a great day.